Hi guys, so here we have a question that says snowfall for a location is found to be normally distributed with mean 96 and standard deviation 32. What is the probability that a given year will have more than 120 inches of snow? Now, in order to answer that, we're going to let x be the amount of snowfall in a given year. All right, if we set it up like that, then it's going to be, then x is going to be distributed normally with mean 96 and variance 32 squared. Okay, now then part A just asks what is the probability that x is going to be greater than 120. Now since this is a normal distribution, we're going to convert x to z. We know that z is x minus x bar over sigma. Here we have x 120, x bar is just 96, sigma is 32. So that's going to give me 0.75. So this is equivalent to probability that z is greater than 0.75. In order to find this, we need the z table. But remember, in a z table, I'll just draw this first. So suppose 0.75 is somewhere here. So we need probability that z is greater than 0.75. So we need this area, right? But in our table always gives the area to the left of the z value. So our table will always give us this area. I'll put it in another color. So our table will always give us this area, depending on what table you're using. So in order to do this, in order to calculate this, we're just going to convert that. So we can say this is also equivalent to 1 minus probability that z is less than 0.75. Now we can use the table directly. So if you look at the table, we'll go to 0.75. So you have 0.75. So that's 0.77337. So 1 minus 0.77337. So that is going to give me 1 minus 0.7737. So that's going to be 0.22663. That's our final answer. Okay, and so that's for part A. Now let's look at part B. Part B asks, what is the probability that the snowfall will be between 90 and 100. Okay, now in order to find that out, so this is also just equivalent to finding probability that x is between 90 and 100. Okay, so we can say, so if I draw it out, alright, first we're going to convert this into a z, into z table, into the z values. So z again is x minus x bar over sigma. So for 90, c is just 90 minus 1 minus our mean, that was 96, divided by sigma, that was 32. So it's going to be 90 minus 96 divided by 32, that's negative 0.1875. And then for 120, z is just 120 minus 96, So it was 100. 100 minus 96 divided by 32. 100 minus 96 divided by 32. That's going to be 0.125. So now our probability is also equivalent to negative 0.1875 less than z less than 0.125. So if I draw it out again, this is just going to be, let's say this is negative 0.1875. This is, let's say, 0.125. So we want to find this area. So in order to find that, we can say probability that this is also equivalent to probability z is less than 0.125 minus probability z is less than negative 0.1875. So from our table, if we go to our table, so our table gives us like values to 2 decimal places, so we're just going to convert that. 0.13 probability z is less than negative 0.19. So that's going to be, so 0.13 here, 0.13 is going to be 0.55172. Minus negative 0.19. 9 is going to be 0.42465. So that's just 0.55172 minus 0.42465. That is 0.12707. That's our answer. Thank you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.